Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto School. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing crypto product which is known as Chicago Coin. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So guys, here you can see we are on the website of Chicago Coin, empowering esports with blockchain innovation. Chicago Coin introduces CLT Token, a blockchain-based solution revolutionizing the esports economy. Join a fair, transparent ecosystem connecting games, developers, and fans. You can check out the total market size by 2025 is almost $2 billion plus, and you can check out the annual growth rate is 20%, which is really amazing. Also, the global viewers are 500 million plus, and the tournament prize pool is $100 million plus. Down here you can check out the roadmap of this amazing product with help of their team, contributors, and investors. There are the milestones they are looking to achieve. So you can check out in June 2025 they have launched a community governance and staking mechanism. You can check out in September they had done introducing the secure in-game transaction systems, as well as you can check out the other developments as well. You can scroll here and read out their roadmap as well. Down here you want to the website, you can check out their detailed white paper is shown here. It's a 9 pages white paper, so if you want to know more about this product in detail, you can read out their white paper as well. Here you can check out the growth of ecosystem, CLT token overview. It's built on Ethereum blockchain using the secure and widely compatible ERC20 standards, enhanced with 256-bit encryption as well as fast transactions, community governance model as well as circular ecosystem model are some of the features. Down here you can check out their amazing partners are shown here, such as Bit Exchange, ICO Agency, Crypto Forest, Bitcoin.in, Bitcoin as well as Coin Market Cap. Down here you can check out the about system, such as Chicago Coin introduces the CLT token, a decentralized currency designed to create a transparent and fair esports ecosystem, empowering gamers, developers, and fans through blockchain technology. Their vision is to revolutionize the esports industry by providing gamers with true ownership of digital assets, fostering collaboration and promoting ecosystem inclusion through a decentralized economy. So they are committed to continuous innovation in the smart contract technology, building a collaborative community and ensuring sustainable growth to drive long-term value of all stakeholders. So make sure you check out this amazing product. Down here you can check out why choose us, because they have in-game transactions, community rewards, governance as well as cross-platform integration are some of the features. Also you can check out their ecosystem includes gamers, partners, developers as well as investors. Some of the frequently asked questions are already answered by them on the website, such as what is Chicago Coin. I had already told you 2 times in this video. So which a blockchain is CLT token on? It's built onto the Ethereum blockchain. So what are presale details? So let's check it out. The Chicago Coin presale is live, offering CLT tokens with a fundraising goal of $586,160. Almost more than $500,000 users can participate by purchasing tokens with Ethereum, USDT or USDC. Do users receive CLT tokens instantly? Yes, CLT tokens purchased during the pre-sale period are generally processed at the time of purchase and you will receive them. So each and everything is shown here. I also want to tell you about the Chicago Coin smart contract, which is now audited by Quill Audits. Quill Audits is one of the #1 auditing company, and the status is secure and verified. So make sure you check out the audit as well. So here we are on the GitHub and you can check out the audit report. It is a detailed report and you can check out the details as well. The product can be considered safe. Here you can check out the security features and each and everything are given here. So the product is looking really good. So coming back to the website, you can connect the wallet here and participate into this amazing product. So make sure you join their social media handles such as X handle, Telegram handle as well as Twitter handle, and so you can join their YouTube channel as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.